cleaning up some of the old chicken coop behind our barn. And this was in there. It's in pretty rough shape, but I'm gonna make this into a planter to go in front of our coop when it's completely finished. This is the old coop that was here when we moved in. We've been here about 10 years. We haven't messed with anything back here, but we have started to pull out some old wood, try to get some of this cleaned up. So this is on our list of projects now. But yeah, this is where I found the feeder. It was tucked back inside of there.